Okay guys, welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we're not going to rebuild anything, we're going to do some maintenance. Not on this Maserati, but just a normal car, a Mini Cooper. So stay tuned and we're going to do the maintenance. Okay guys, so the first thing what we're going to do is drain the oil out of the car. What I always do is just let the car run for a couple of minutes so the oil is nice and hot, so the whole complete system gets drained. And what you always want to do is check the plug if there's not any major shiverings of metal. Okay guys, so the heater is working fine. As you can see, I just put my coat off, but I want to show you something. For the next step, what you want to do is unbolt the oil filter. I don't know if you can see it guys. Okay guys, so it's a little bit foggy here because I just turned on the diesel heater. It is the next day guys because it gave us the wrong air filter. And what also happened during the trying to change out the oil filter was that they screwed on the lid a little bit too tight, so we needed to get a special tool to get the lid off. So stay tuned and hopefully we will get it done today. Okay guys, so we went for the, I don't know, maybe fourth time back to the parts store to get us a new socket. The other socket that they gave us was too long. So now it's time to unloose the bolt, put that sucker on 10 and get it fixed hopefully today. Okay guys, so here's the old oil filter. As you can see, very dirty and it's already falling apart because of the bad maintenance of this car. What really important is by these cars guys is that there's a small spring and you don't want to lose that spring because otherwise you will be in trouble with oil pressure and everything. As you can see, it's all filthy, dirty, old oil. Okay guys, another tip, especially for the minis, there's an old part that you also need to remove out of the old oil filter and you need to reinstall it inside the new filter, because there's an attachment here where the spring goes in and then press it on the car. Okay guys, that's it. So the next thing that we're going to do is take out all the spark plugs and change them. that the car was misfiring, and as you can see, someone forgot their rubber of their socket still on the spark plug, guys. Now it's time to do some fishing and trying to get that rubber out. Ta-da! Here it is, guys. After some redneck engineering, we finally got it out. So let's change the spark plug now. Okay guys, that was it for the spark plugs. The following thing that we need to do is change out the air filter. Okay guys, so the last step in this process is change the inner filter of the Mini, so also the drivers can breathe naturally and happy. Okay guys, so this is what cleans all the air in your car. As you can see, there's also a huge difference in color, and also all kinds of leaves and all bad debris is also getting inside your cabin of the car. So also make sure you also change your air filter for the inside. Okay guys, the next thing that we're going to do is change the brake pads. The first thing that we need to do is just unbolt the brake caliper, and then we can easily access the brake pads. Okay guys, that's one side done. Let's move over to the other side. Okay guys, that's it for the front side. Now we need to head on to the back side. Okay guys, that was it for this side. Let's go to the other side. Okay guys, that's it for the brakes. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. It's something different than rebuilding a complete car, but I thought it would be fun to do some maintenance videos as well. So let me know what you guys think, and on to the next one.